Legal secretary's secret $9 million fortune emerges after her death. Sylvia Bloom made $9 million by copying investments made by her bosses, but she kept her huge wealth secret to friends and family. Sylvia Bloom worked for the same law firm for more than 60 years and only retired when she was 96. She died not long afterwards in 2016. But unbeknown to any of her family or friends, she had accumulated substantial wealth and was able to donate millions to charities in New York out of a wealth fund of $9 million. The Henry Street Settlement, a social charity in the Lower East Side of Manhattan, received more than $6 million from Ms. Bloom, the largest gift from an individual in its 125-year history. Her niece, Jane Lockshin, said, "She was a secretary in an era when they ran their bosses' lives, including their personal investments. So when the boss would buy a stock, she would make the purchase for him and buy the same stock for herself. But in a smaller amount because she was on a secretary's salary." Because Ms. Bloom never talked to anyone about what she was doing, her fortune only emerged when she died. In her will, Ms. Bloom left some money to relatives and friends but wanted most of her wealth to go towards scholarships for underprivileged young people. In 1947 she joined a new law firm in Wall Street called Cleary Gottlieb Steen and Hamilton and was one of its first employees. The firm grew to its current size of more than 1,200 lawyers as well as hundreds of other staff. Ms. Bloom's husband Raymond Margolis was a firefighter in New York and died in 2002. The couple lived modestly in a rent-controlled apartment. Ms. Bloom was known for always taking the subway to work. Even on the morning of the 11th September 2001, terror attacks on the World Trade Center not far from the firm's offices. Now, Ms. Bloom could have spent the immense wealth she built with her hard-earned money, or did she made sure that some kids who may have not had higher education because of his or her financial difficulties have an opportunity to have higher education? Have those who took higher education thanks to Ms. Bloom really made it count on her generosity? These only can be answered after a thorough study. Comment your thoughts.